Attention all health conscious individuals struggling with weight management, hormonal issue, chronic health conditions, or simply waiting to improve your overall wellness. I need 15 to 20 minutes of your life. Hi, I'm dietitian Luna Jaiswal with an experience of 20 years, and I welcome you to this training on how to achieve sustainable health transformation with my holistic approach to keeping you healthy and fit. This is perfect for you if you are dealing with weight loss issues, thyroid, fatty liver, PCOS, diabetes, gut issues like gas, acid reflux, or if you're simply wanting to optimize your health and are stuck in cycle of trying diet after diet with no lasting results. You are facing issues like fatigue, unwanted weight gain, digestive problems, hormonal issue, and also complicated relationship with food, because of which you are experiencing low confidence, frustration, and even avoiding social situations. By the time you complete this entire training, you know exactly how you can escape your current health situation, as I am about to give you the framework on how you can transform your health, boost your energy, enjoy your food without doing experiments, trials and errors, losing time and money by just using a simple root cause analysis approach to sustainable nutrition. So take a pen and paper, as you might want to note down a few things about what I'm going to talk about. By completing the training, you will also receive a free health assessment guide waiting for you at the end. Now, why I'm so confident about this? Well, that's because in past 20 years, I have worked upon 10,000 clients and helped them overcome various health challenges, including weight issues, hormonal issues, digestive problems, and chronic conditions. Not just that, I have received over 400 5-star ratings on Google and Practo and helped my clients collectively achieve remarkable health transformation while regaining their confidence, vitality, and health. But before we get started, let me show you why you should listen to me for the next few minutes. Well, we are AdLife by Luna Jaiswal. Here our mission is to empower individuals to take control of their health by addressing the root cause of the issue rather than just treating symptoms. Just like you, I have seen countless clients who were stuck in the diet cycle. They had tried everything from keto to intermittent fasting to GM diet to various supplements and extreme calorie restrictions. They would see some initial results only to revert back to their previous state, and often with additional health issues like weakness, hair loss, and worsening their hormonal conditions. I have seen patients with various conditions who were just told, accept their fate, as if nothing could help them. Many were struggling with persistent fatigue, weight gain, skin issues, and mood changes despite taking medications. I have worked with women managing hormonal conditions who were told that their symptoms were just part of their condition. I have guided people with chronic health issues who were living in the fear of food, believing they could never enjoy a normal meal again. And I have helped countless individuals with digestive problems who couldn't remember the last time they felt comfortable in their own body. Sooner I realized the way most people approach nutrition and health, and what you are probably doing right now is dead wrong. Suddenly I realized, what if we stopped focusing on the short-term weight loss and instead address the root cause of the health issue? What if proper nutrition could support the body's natural healing process alongside conventional treatment? What if we could improve gut health and metabolism in a way that helps the body naturally finds it balanced without extreme restrictions? But that's just my approach. Here are a few clients who got incredible results using this system.
Hi, my name is Arundhati Pandey. Back in 2019, when I met ma'am, I was 84 kgs and I had PCOD. I couldn't control my sugar cravings at all. And I was in a pathetic situation. I'm a very inquisitive person and I've asked ma'am over 100 questions and she's been kind enough to help me. I lost over 34 kgs in a span of a year with ma'am, And till today, I'm connected with her and I follow a sustainable lifestyle. And I'm eternally grateful to ma'am for my success, because if today I am in my best physique, it's just because of her guidance and support.
Hi, my name is Niveta Srivastav and I have been in Luna ma'am's guidance for more than a year after being diagnosed with thyroid. I was experiencing sudden weight gain, all-day fatigue, constipation, acne, and I was not being able to sleep well at night. But ma'am has guided me a lot. She helped me with her diet plan without adding any hard-to-make recipes because of my busy schedule. And 80% of my problem has gone and I'm still pursuing it. She, being very patient, answers all my queries and she helps me a lot in also maintaining this lifestyle.
And how exactly did they get there? Well, that's precisely what I'm going to show you in this video. Here's what most people do when they want to improve their health or manage a condition. Number one, they jump on the latest diet trend: keto, paleo, intermittent fasting. Number two, they drastically cut calories and restrict entire food groups. Number three, they buy expensive supplements hoping for a quick fix. Number four, they follow generic plans not tailored to their specific health condition. Number five, they view food as their enemy and develop anxiety around eating. However, here's what's wrong with this system. 95% of people who lose weight on restrictive diets gain it all back within 1 to 2 years or even lesser. Extreme dieting damages your metabolism, gut health, and even hormones. Generic diets don't address the specific nutritional needs of different health conditions, which require careful support to manage inflammation, support metabolism, and balance hormone, and even address insulin resistance. Many popular diets can further stress your body and worsen symptoms for those with underlying health issues, leading to guilt, stress, and emotional eating. If you continue these approach, you will likely face worsening health conditions, increasing medical bills, continuing with the frustration with your own body, and lifetime of yo-yo dieting. Here's a better system that can help you achieve lasting health without the struggle. My root cause approach focuses on personalized nutrition based on your specific health conditions and body. Sustainable, practical eating habits that don't require extreme restrictions. Gut health optimization to improve digestion, immunity, and metabolism. Hormonal balance through natural food-based approaches which directly improves insulin resistance. Practical home-based meals using everyday ingredients. Why is this the better system? Based on 20 years of experience and proven nutritional science, clients maintain results long-term without relapsing because the system is sustainable and practical. Works for complex conditions where other approaches have failed. You will learn to enjoy food while improving health. Alright, let's skip this boring bits. Let me show you exactly how my clients are getting results like the ones I showed you.
I would like to thank Luna Madam for helping me in resolving my gut issues. Actually, from last few years, I was having either diarrhea or constipation, which has over the time paved way for, bigger health problems. So I decided to consult some dietitian, and in the net I came across profile of Luna Madam where everybody has suggested that she's one of the best dietitian in Lucknow. And believe me, after just meeting her for the first time, I felt that she's very organic, she's very basic, and she's very much into understanding the problems of the patient very deeply. Having spent like a month with her, following her diet, not exactly 100%, say just 50-60%, my gut problems have begun to resolve. I was feeling bigger energy powers. I was feeling overall that my health has improved.
Myself, Amit Agarwal. I have gained a lot of weight in last 1.5 years. So my weight had gone 98 kgs. I somehow got the reference from Google. I went to Luna ma'am. It helped me so much that actual problem was in my lifestyle and my eating habits, which she corrected. Through that journey, last 2.5 months journey with her, I could able to lose around 12 kgs of weight.
So I want to talk about Luna ji. I have to tell you, she's absolutely incredible. She has really helped me fix my diet. She tells you exactly what you need according to your lifestyle and according to the foods available in that particular season. So she does not give anything that's not accessible, which is not available. She makes sure that you eat natural food which is available, seasonal foods that are actually good for your health. So I'm really happy with how she advised me, and I really recommend whoever wants to fix their diet and nutrition, he or she should absolutely reach out to them. She's absolutely amazing, and I'm really happy with her services. I am so happy that I keep going back to her. She's always there to help me, and I can't tell you how helpful she's been to me.
Does this system look like something that would work for you? My proven framework that we use at AdLife by Luna Jaiswal is completely unique to your body and health condition. Super simple and very practical to follow in daily life. Convenient with WhatsApp support whenever you need it. Predictable and clear milestones and progress tracking. Effective for long-term health, not just short-term. And best of all, that I personally guide you through every step of your transformation. Well, at this point, you have two options. Option 1, continue struggling with your own trying diets with minimal results. Option 2, transform your health faster, better and more effective without trials and errors with my professional nutritional consultation. For a limited time only, you can claim a no obligation 15-minute strategic call with me. We will discuss your specific health challenges, goals, and how we can help you achieve them with our proven system. In this call, we will devise a customized strategic nutrition plan for you. And if everything makes sense, we can discuss how our services can help you achieve sustainable health transformation. We will also cover the biggest nutritional mistake to avoid your specific health conditions. How to leverage the right food to support your body's natural healing process. The critical nutrients you might be missing that could be sabotaging your recovery. Simple tweaks to improve your gut health, boost metabolism for better overall wellness. Remember, there's no cost obligation to move forward with your service afterward if you feel it's not for you. Sounds good? All you need to do is click the button below and book your call. Don't let another day pass feeling frustrated with your health or your body. Take the first step forward for true transformation today. Click the button below and let's start your journey to better health together.